Hello and welcome to another Carstar video. Today we're going to be removing the heater core from a Renault Koleos H45, and in the process we'll also be removing the glove box. It's not really a necessity, but it just makes things easier when you remove the glove box, so you have more space and more vision to work with. And let's get into our main demonstration. Now here we have our glove box. We're going to open the lid, and on the inside there are torque screws. These are T15, and also at the bottom of the glove box there is 2 more torque screws on either side of the bottom of the glove box, so one on that side and one on the other side. We will go ahead and remove all of the screws one by one, starting with the top torque screws. We'll remove them. Followed by the bottom ones. And once these screws are off, all that's left to do is to wriggle the glove box out and unplug the cables from the glove box. From any side, just go in between the glove box and the dash, and you can see it slides out quite easily. We will need to unplug the cables for the courtesy light and the other plug as well. Just push onto the side of the plug and pull. It's very easy to remove. Now that our glove box is off, we'll remove the bottom vent. On this side there is a Phillips screw. Remove the Phillips screw, and on the other side of the vent it attaches to the vent that goes into the dash, to the center. Pull it down, and this is how you remove the vent for the feet. Next we'll remove the trim cover. This one's just a pull off. It's held on by clips, no screws or bolts or nuts to hold this in place. And now we have access to our heater core with its pipes, and we'll remove the clips that hold the heater pipe to the heater core. And to show you what I did there to detach the holder, this is pretty much what I've done. I did it with my hand. It's hard to show this when it's on the car, so that's why I showed you off the vehicle. That's how you remove the holder or the clip holder for the heater core and the pipe. So when you're putting it back on, you'll just put the pipe back on, and then you'll slide this on to lock it in place, and then so forth. Now you'll need a tray for the water that's going to come out of the heater core. Remove the top clip holder as well for the top pipe. The same thing as the bottom one. Next we have 4 Phillips screws, 2 to the bottom and 2 to the top. Remove the 4 Phillips screws. And all that's left to do is to wriggle the heater core out. Some of the reasons why you would change the heater core is if you put the heater on to heat and it's still blowing out cold air. If there's coolant leak, the car is losing coolant and you can't seem to find the issue anywhere else. If there is a smell when you turn on the air conditioning, and generally if it leaks from the heater core on this Koleos, there'll be watermarks here where I'm pointing in the video. So water will leak there and then it will dry up, or there will be a certain smell coming from this part of the vehicle. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.